Hi guys, good morning. So it's Monday, 9/11. That's so weird because that's our unit number too. Anyways, I am getting ready. Well, I'm gonna get ready right now. I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee, probably edit a YouTube video real quick. I'm finally at 762 subscribers. I felt like recently it was dragging just to get to 760, but I finally made it. And which is awesome. But yeah, so I'm just gonna drink some coffee. Maddie's sleeping. My back hurts really bad from our mattress. I feel like it's our mattress, or maybe it's Maddie, I don't know. Anyways, I have a lot to do today, like at my dad's, like at work for my dad. I have a lot of scanning and filing to do, and then I have to get all my paperwork ready to send out to someone and Josh's, and then what else? I don't know. I just have a lot to do. My birthday is next Friday, which is so awesome. I felt like this month like flew by. And then mine's and Josh's anniversary Sunday. I'm super excited. 6 years is a long time to be with someone, I feel like. It's crazy because I'm like, wow, we've been together for 6 years. So we were together for 2 years when I got pregnant with Madison. So that's crazy. But yeah, so it's been crazy. The apartment's cleaned finally. Took me all day yesterday, like literally 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours it took me to clean it. So it's all clean, which is nice. Yeah, I really like my nails, like the bubble bath. It's so cute. It's just like simple and clear. Yeah, I was gonna get my toes done. I think I'm gonna wait. I don't know. Oh. I have my hair appointment next week. It's just to get a trim and highlights. Again, which my hair's like outgrowing. It's like right here. That's so crazy. It's been a month like already, so that's weird. So yeah, I'm gonna get my hair done again next week, and then I have an eyelash extension appointment on the. So my hair appointment's the 25th, my eyelash extension appointment's the 26th, and then I think I'm gonna get my toes done. I'm thinking of just doing them like this week, because I know my mom was saying she wanted to get her nails done, so I think I'm gonna just get my toes done because I need them done bad. And I'm debating, because I'm gonna obviously buy like Josh doesn't buy me birthday gifts. He kind of just tells me to get what I want for my birthday because he never knows what I want. So I'm debating on if I'm gonna get Gucci slides or if I should get Tory Burch sandals. I don't know. It's such a hard decision and I can't decide on what I want. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna get Tory Burch sandals, and then when summertime comes I'll buy myself Gucci slides, just because like those Tory Burch sandals I could literally wear with any outfit, as versus like the slides I probably can't even wear them all the time unless like I'm going to the store or to the pool, stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do those Tory Burch sandals. I'm just gonna do it. I gotta do it. But yeah, so that's the plan. Hi guys, so right now I'm ready, Maddie's ready. I'm gonna put her sweater on and then we're gonna go head to my parents' house. I need to go to the grocery store, so I'm probably gonna go to the one by their house and just put all my stuff in their fridge because we really need food. And yeah, tonight I'm gonna make smothered pork chops with green beans, mashed potatoes, and like a biscuit or something. And then I want to go to the gym when I get home. So I'll probably take Maddie with me, work out, and then take a bath or something. I'm also going to try to get my toes done today because they need to be done really bad. So I did want to wait until my birthday, but I'm like, they'll look just as good by the time my birthday is here, so it'll be okay. Yeah, just because like on my birthday, I don't like doing stuff that's very time consuming because I feel like it just wastes the day very fast. So I rather just do the stuff that's going to take long the day before or a week before my birthday. So that's why I'm doing my eyelash extensions the day before, because I want them to look really fresh on my birthday. And then the day before that, I'm doing my hair. So I'm doing all that just because I do want it to like not take up my whole day on my birthday. So yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, so I'm gonna go leave the house right now. I'm waiting on the car to finish warming up, and I wasn't able to upload my footage or anything because my laptop was dead. What's new? It's always dead for some reason. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna edit a video when I get to my parents' house, do all the stuff I need to do, get stuff situated, and yeah, that's my plan. So yeah, but I am gonna go ahead and get ready to leave, and I'm probably gonna vlog on my phone just because I don't like bringing my camera with me. It's so heavy and it takes up a lot of space. That's why I'm like, why did I get this big of a camera? I should have got like the G7X. Plus this one, like the lens switch on it, so I'm paranoid that like something's gonna happen to it. I don't know. Hi guys, I don't know if I'm sorry, I'm gonna place you guys right here. Oh. Okay. I don't know if I got the chance to tell you, but mine's and Josh's anniversary is the 22nd. Yeah, which is Sunday. And anyways, everything's closing down. That we found out everything was supposed to close down tomorrow. So I was like for like 8 weeks, and my birthday's next week. And I was like, let's go to dinner and celebrate early my birthday and our anniversary, whatever. So then,
hi guys, I got my shoes.
Ooh. So then we went to Cheesecake Factory, which is inside the mall, and we're like,
guys.
go over there please, it's very hot.
Hi guys, so I turned out for the Rockets candle.
Till 10 o'clock at night. So we're like, we'll have time, we'll walk around the mall, do our anniversary / my birthday shopping or whatever. Well, it was really hard to do that when everything was pretty much closed. But all I really wanted was like these Tory Burch sandals that I've been wanting for like ever. So it worked like whatever. So we just went to that store, Victoria's Secret, because a lot of the stores were closed at the mall. And this is a really popular mall. Everything was pretty much closed. So then I was like, okay, well, let's go get something to eat and then go home. So we get to Cheesecake Factory and they're like, no, we're closing. Like, we're not, like, we're going to do to-go orders, but other than that, we're closing the restaurant. Like, and I was like, what the hell? Like, you guys just said you guys were going to be open till 10. No, it didn't work. So yeah, that was that. That was really frustrating. So that's what I'm cooking right now. We didn't think that was going to happen. Neither did the workers, but like, everybody who worked there, like, seemed really pissed off. Like, the waiters and waitresses were not happy, which I understand. Like, that's not a situation anybody wants to be in. Sorry, I'm gonna turn that off. But yeah, so I just wanted to tell you guys that this coronavirus thing is getting crazy and it's getting serious and it's scary, honestly.
So I didn't sell it.
It's getting real. Businesses are having to close for 8 weeks. Schools are closed for 8 weeks. It's huge. It's a very crazy thing that's going on in America right now. But I don't know. Hopefully something will come of this.
Mommy.
I don't know.
Mommy.
What?
I want to eat.
Hold on.
Guys.
So yeah, right now I'm just making some dinner. I'm just doing mushrooms, sauteed onions, pork chop, What?
I can eat.
Okay, I'll make you something to eat right now. Hold on, please. Sucks 'cause my breath is gonna suck, like. Okay, do you want a soup? What do you want? Huh? No, you're not gonna have junk food. No.
How about cookies?
Nope. You have to actually eat dinner, so. I said no, baby. But I want to show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys what I got that I'm super excited about is Tory Burch Miller sandals. Right? Yeah, Miller. I've been wanting these for so long, and Josh was like, go ahead, get them. And I was like, oh my god, yay. I still feel kind of guilty though, because these were really pricey for a pair of sandals. But I got these Tory Burch Miller sandals in the color brown. I was going to get these ones, though, I don't know what they're called. But they were like, just like this, but they were smaller, and they were like the thong sandals. But they didn't have the color I wanted, and the colors they only had were not cute at all. So I didn't get those. And then we went to Victoria's Secret. I got some biker shorts. I just wanted something that was like comfortable, that I could wear like around the house or to the store. So I got biker shorts. And then I also got a plain white t-shirt. And then a pair of undies for free, so that was cool. Yeah, that's what I got. Pretty awesome, nice. So dinner's almost done. These are the smothered pork chops. I have green beans, mashed potatoes, and then the Cheesecake Factory bread. That's almost done.
Which shut down way too early today, like WTF.
Daddy.
Hey, can you open my wine, please, babe?